want to talk to you. It is nothing formal or nothing disciplinary. It's more about a check-in. So, how are you doing today, this past few weeks? How are you?
I'm alright, thank you, Mom. I have been this my idea about my time.
Yes, you're right. So I wanted to check on you about your timings this past few weeks because I noticed that you're arriving late for almost 5 consecutive days. And with that kind of pattern is something we need to address immediately because it affects our works, the coordination of our team. That's right. So because of that, I wanted to hear directly from you what is happening because I know that you also have a reason.
Yes, Mom, I don't really understand. I will make excuses. It's true. I will play every day this week.
Why? What's the main issue?
The main issue is I have to take care of my younger siblings with me. But since my mom is recovering from a minor surgery, it's been hard juggling that I'm touching the right class.
So, wala ba kayo ng pagkakailan sa inyong sibling?
Wala akong trabaho na akong naaking.
Okay, so thank you for explaining that, Miss Giselle. So it's really good to have a transparency to know. So and I hope that your mom is doing better now. So I can see how that situation will throw off your usual routine. So we all go through patches, and I appreciate that you're being honest with me. So at the same time, I have to be transparent with you about it because it affects your team, the team. And because your role is tied to your morning operation, kaya mostly ang mga trabaho kay for morning ng Sieno. So when you're consistently late, even by 15 or 20 minutes, it pushes back other tasks and affects the coordination. So, and our expectation for every employee here, due to timing sila, on time, sulod din sila sa work, on time. So, maybe na, siguro yung mga moments na dili on time, pero dili po consecutive, siguro no. Pero, even if there are occasional and avoidable delays, we need to be informed ahead of time whenever possible. So, that said, your situation, I want to support you in finding a workplace. So, kung sa may imong ganahan, I will adjust your time schedule. Ibig lang ka lang mag-compare para mo-fit sa imong with this big result, or do you have any concern pa? For example, would ka na finding a workplace solution? So, with a slight adjustment of your work, of the schedule, or anything, or even if it's just temporary lang. So, or is there something else you think you would allow you to come in and find while still managing your responsibilities at home? So, what are you saying?
If possible, maybe I will shift my schedule now by 30 minutes temporarily for the next couple of weeks. And I still work the same number of hours. And I guess stay there. That will help me get my sibling to school and avoid rushing the mornings.
Okay, I think that's a fair compromise. So, let's try that temporarily schedule for 1 week or 2 weeks until your mom recovers. So, we'll monitor how it goes and I'll check in with you next Friday. So, if it is working great, if not, well, reassess. So, in the meantime, please keep me informed, if anything else comes up, even if a quick message, about it, na para hindi kami mag-worry na wala asa naman kasi kuan, yan na. So, quick message lang if you expect to be late or helps us, in order for us to help us plan better. So, is it okay?
Yes,
Kira ka? Yes. So, thanks again for your what we talked about here will be staying here. So I really appreciate your attitude, Miss Giselle, and willingness to work through this. I know that you are reliable and trusted employee here in our company. And I see this is just a short-term hurdle, so short-term minor problem when we see. So let's keep